Welcome to Frog Furnishings and assembly guidance for our 32-gallon Standard Square Receptacle. Be sure to install your receptacle on a flat and level surface. Unpack the contents of your container box and ensure all pieces are included. Please read the assembly instructions and follow all directions. This model also comes in a 20-gallon version and follows the same assembly instructions. There are 4 receptacle walls, 1 bottom panel, 1 top panel, 8 corner blocks, and 32 deck screws. The recommended tool for assembly is a powered driver drill with a Phillips head bit. Begin by arranging the 4 walls upright in a chase pattern. This means installing one edge of each wall panel flush with the flat face of the next, working in a continuous loop, so each corner interlocks cleanly at a right angle. This creates a sturdy square frame for the receptacle and ensures the bottom panel will fit correctly later in the assembly process. Place corner blocks in each corner, one at the top and one at the bottom. Secure using deck screws. Repeat this process for all 4 corners. Do not over-tighten. Next, place the bottom panel inside the receptacle, resting it on the horizontal wall slats. Then, place the top panel on the upper horizontal slats. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings Standard Square Receptacle.